good morning. I am from Bakshi and today I would like to know something about yourself.
Okay, my name is Deepak Sharma. I am a managing director of British Institute, and I have passed around 20 years in the field of spoken English and personality development classes, and I am conducted different types of seminars on different places, and I have taught army people. I have taught in colleges and schools as well, sir.
Okay. Sir, we would like to know something about British. As you said that you are the founder of British, so please tell everything in detail.
Okay, if you want to know something about British Institute, I would like to tell British. It's a well-known institute which is known for quality education, and we started this institute in 2003, and we started this institute in a small room. But right now we have several centers, and even in Meerut we have the 3 centers right now, and we are trying our level best to spread the branches of British Institute, and here we have the motto to spread the quality education. That's the reason here we use all the modern techniques, modern technology, modern equipments to teach our students in a good way.
Sir, why should we join only British? There are many institutes, in small lanes, in small gullies, mohalla. Why only British?
So it's a very good question. First of all, thanks to ask me such a good question. Sir, no doubt there are several institutes, and if you talk about British, why British is better than these institutes, those are in Gully Mohalla as you told. So here, as I told, we are known for quality education. Here we use all the modern techniques, technology and tricks to make our students speak good English. And here, sir, we always try to update ourselves. Even our trainers, they always keep on trying to update themselves. They have several year experience, and here we have the digital lab. I don't think other institutions those provide English education they have such type of equipments those we have. Here we use the projector. We teach our students through projector classes. We provide them, and here through in digital labs. Suppose if we teach something to our students, and if they don't come on that day, then we send them the classes, whatever happened in class, we send them these classes. So many things.
Okay, sir. Next question. What method do you use?
If you want to know what method we are using, I would say here we use the TYT method. TYT method, we train your tongue, mean to say we train our students' tongue. If their tongue is trained to speak, then they speak naturally, as everybody can speak ABCD. How? Because our tongue is completely trained to speak the ABCD. So same we do here. Yes, sir. Next, what would you like to ask?
Sir, what all the courses do you have?
Dear, we have several courses here. First course, it's the capsule course, or you can say it's a course for kids. It's only 1 month course, and in this course we teach all the basics. Even we teach ABCD, or if they don't know what's the meaning of go or eat, we tell our students. And after that there is a course of that course is spoken English course, and 90% students they come for this course. And after that we have one more course. It's for those students study in CBSE or ICSC board. Those are mean to say already speaking. Suppose someone is already speaking and he or she wants to polish and furnish their English, or mean to say brush up their English. Such type of students they come for this course, sir. And apart of this, we have some other courses. We are providing call center training. We are providing PD, mean to say personality development training program. We are providing, and apart of this, we are providing some computer courses as well.
Okay, sir.
Ji.
How many branches have you got all over India?
If you talk about branches, how many branches we have right now? We have more than 300 branches. I would say around 300 plus branches we have right now, and those we are running in different cities or towns. And where our trainers, they are trying to their level best to provide the quality education, and we are providing the cheapest education, I would say, because we provide the quality. Yes, sir.
Sir, do you provide computer education?
Of course, sir, we provide the computer education as well. We provide all the computer courses like basic, Tally, DTP, and we are providing some advanced courses like AutoCAD, CATIA, and architecture. Such type of courses we are providing, and we provide triple C and O level as well. So if you need computer education, so join British Institute, because on 90% centers we have the computer education, or mean to say we have the computer center.
That's great. That sounds very nice, sir. If anyone wants to take franchisee of British, what is the process?
Sir, if anybody wants to take the franchisee, first of all, I would say if you have my contact number, directly call me. Definitely, I will receive it, and I will give you the complete information, and I would suggest you how you can get the business. And if you become the part of British family, I won't let you fail in this business. I will try my level best so that you may earn a lot of money. That's my guarantee. So if you want to come in this field, call me. You know my number. If you don't know, that's 9219710033. So call me.
Very nice, sir. Sir, it's a really amazing thing that you have more than 300 plus institutions in all over India. Sir, what is your next planning?
Next planning, sir. In future, we are gonna start our play school. That's name I have decided. That's British Kids. We are gonna start this play school, and a part of this, sir, we are gonna spread the branches of British. Right now we have around 300 centers, but soon we will be having more than 500 centers, and definitely we will have within next 5 years. That's I think.
That's
Definitely we will have.
That's very nice, sir. That's very nice. Sir, what is the fee of your spoken English for basic course?
So basic course, generally we charge 5,000 rupees in installments, and in lump sum, sir, we charge 4,000 rupees. And so it depends on city. In small towns, if there is no good paying capacity in those towns, there is no people don't have the good paying capacity. In that case, we charge. It depends completely on the center director.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your precious time you have given us, and all the very best. I hope you may get success step by step and very rapidly. Thank you very much once again. If you want to say something to our audience, so please you can say something.
Guys, I would say if really you want to get the quality education, join us. I would say we have the several centers. Anywhere where you find the British Institute, join there. If it's authorized center, join it, and then definitely you will get the quality education. And we are not providing English education. Mean to say, here we are providing the complete package. In this package, we teach you spoken English, and a part of this, we try to improve the knowledge of interview, how to face the interview, what kind of questions are asked over there, and a part of this, we uh, try to develop your personality. So how you can improve your personality, that we teach you. Mean to say, it's a complete package we are providing. It's not only one course. Multiple courses you are getting in a single course.
That's very nice, sir. Thanks very much. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. I hope.
Welcome, sir.